interesting topic in our hand, one that has a several life example and one that you have learned in your previous class. That is trigonometry. Trigonometry deals with the relationship between the side lengths and the angle of triangle. So here in trigonometry, you can see there's a two words, that is trigono means triangle and metry means measure. So let's take an example for the better understanding. Okay, so assume that there's a tree present here, okay, and its height is h, and in front of that tree there's a manhole in which you are standing and your face is only visible and your eyesight is equal to the ground level. Okay, so how you gonna find the h? I will show you. So can you see here can you see a triangle here? No? Let me show you. We have joined this base to the eyesight, that is this line. This is going to be one side. After that we will just point at the top of that tree and we will join this by the base, that going to be height. And if you see from your eye to the top of that tree, you're going to be see this point, and if you join this point with your eyes, we get the third side, and here is the triangle. After that, what you're gonna do, we will just take the triangle here. You will see here it is a right angle triangle. This is a height, this is a base, and this side is gonna be a line of sight. Okay, so how we gonna find h? How? The one method is Pythagoras theorem, which is actually not applicable here, as you all know, because Pythagoras theorem requires two sides, but we have no any sides over here. Okay, so how we gonna find the height? So let's come to the first image. This we can measure the base by, if I am standing here and this tree is here, we can actually walk from here this point to this point to find this. Okay, and if we get that it is 10 meter, that from the manhole to that tree, that is 10 meter distance, we get the base. So base will be 10 meter. We will keep it aside. After that, we can't find the h and the line of sight, because if you tell me that I will climb the tree and just find this height, that is not practically possible. Okay, so how can I do that? So I have told you earlier that trigonometry deals with the angle. Okay, so here in this second figure, we have to find height. We have a base which is 10 meter and we have to find height. So what we gonna do, if we find this angle, because we have to find h, then we apply a formula, that is, if we are dealing with the relationship between the height and the base, then tan theta and cot theta will come. Okay, and if we find this angle theta, then we got answer. So how you gonna find this theta? So for this angle we will measure by the help of the contractor. Okay, and if we find that theta is 30 degree, okay, so we have all the sides. So how? Solution: the base is 10 meter, theta is 30 degree, So the formula will be tan theta is height by base, and tan 30 is height by base, and base is 10 meter, so we will mention here 10 meter. So height gonna be tan 30 into 10. And what is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 into 10. Okay, and 10 by root 3 is the height. So we get a we apply the one formula and we get a simply we get a result, that is height is 10 by 3 root 3. So that's all. Thank you.